So, welcome to the first episode of Chai with Alumni. And today we have PP Amar Khanorwala with us. Past president Amar has been the change maker in the club from being member to this club service director. He has brought many changes in the club with all his passion and dedication. He then took the post of club secretary and proved himself the best secretary team in RID 3141 in the year 1617. He is known for his leadership guidance and allowing new leaders to experiment and learn and grow from their own mistakes. Hello, Amar. This is Rotractor Palin Rathod. And my co-director, Rotractor Riya Jain, is also with us.
Hi.
And Bushra. So we'll start with the event.
Okay, so so first I would like to thank your current president and obviously all the chairpersons and the directors of Partners in Service, Rotractor Palin and Rotractor Riya Jain for getting me on the show. And I'm glad to be the first guest on this talk show. So thank you so much for getting into it. I hope this series goes on and on, not only for this year, but maybe many more years to come.
Yes, Amar, thank you. Thank you for being here. So we'll start with the questions. What made you join RCHC?
I was in SY BCom. Actually, let's jump back to when I was in FIJC. I don't remember FIJC or SYJC. So that time, the president was Rotractor Avlias Sabuwala. Okay, and I did present my form that time, and that year was very booming. Okay, they were having a really great time getting maximum members from the college, and I guess they crossed the limit, so they had to stop the membership drive. So I did not get into that year, and after 3 years for 3 years I did not apply in Rotract only. I was like that I got busy with my studies and stuff. I took into computer engineering as well at the same time. And then later in SYBCom, I felt that my college life was getting stalled at some moment, that I was not getting enough, energy to, continue this college life. So then again, I, applied for RCC, and that time was revival year. And, that time they had more hype to, asking people to join RCC because it was the, again, revival year of that club. So I had applied with 2-3 of my friends, my college friends, Alifia, Moin, and Dhaval. Me, Alifia, and Moin had applied, and only me and Moin were able to get into the BOD. So for roughly for 1 month, we were only members, and then they asked for that we are also keeping board interviews, so you all can apply for it because they did not have much old members because after the club was shut for almost 2 years roughly. So then me and Moin had applied and I had become club service director. So some people told me that I got a really good post and I should be thankful and should focus on it and not just to do time pass with it. I did not know what club service was, but people told me that it's a really good post you have got. So that gave me a boost. I'll go with it. I'll give it a try. Otherwise I would have been inactive like other people who do some board and some members generally don't show up, but I used to show up every time, and this was my start.
So here we come up with the next one. What is road track to you?
Track to me. So I cannot explain that in words. Like, so when I joined Rotrack, I felt that Rotrack was, it was a good time to spend. You used to spend your college days, but then slowly it grew into me. It grew into me as a family. It grew into me as a, not, I cannot say career, but I felt that it was something I was doing in my life that time, something productive, something was giving back to me. So it was also a career to me at the same time as a college student. Then it was family to me when I used, like, after events we used to hang out with if the event was 2 hours, we used to hang out 4 hours after the event. So that was a like I felt like family with these people. So obviously Rotrack is career and family.
one change that you have seen in yourself because of Rotaract.
Hmm. So I was never a leader person before Rotaract. I was never into something like any curricular activities or any particular NGO or any particular group in my school. Like our school has scouts, road safety patrol, and social services. So I used to be a part of RSP just for sake because it was compulsory at the time. So I wasn't a leader or something like that, but okay, I just went with the flow. And later I never felt that what is a leader, what is leadership. I never knew about that. I never knew what is socializing with new people. I just spoke to people I knew. Maximum I spoke to one person extra within that group just to make sure that I stay in that bubble of the friendship group. But then when I joined Rotaract, I slowly developed, getting more and more higher post in Rotaract. So I felt that people were under me, following me, and I had to guide people. So I felt that now it is time to be responsible. I felt that leadership was growing into me. People liked it, that you know the way I used to talk to people, being friendly, not being a rude leader, something like that. So I felt one thing, that in my life I actually knew the meaning of leadership. And second thing, what changed in me, socializing with people. Otherwise I would have, like, I was a very coward guy. I had stage fright. So I never spoke anything on stage during school, during college as well. But when I joined Rotaract, I slowly started to talk, with people on the stage formally, not informally. So that came as a compulsion to me. By the secretary, you have to give secretariat speech, you have to give secretariat announcement. By now you're president, you have to go to Rotary, you have to go to other clubs, you have to give your promote your club. So I started talking to people formally on the stage and informally behind the stage. So I know यार कि लोग से कैसे बात करना है, किसको कैसे निपटाना है, किसको जेब में कर there are not one, like there are many actually. And but I would like to, I don't even want to name it. If I name, then people might think यार मुझे छोड़ दिया, this and that. Let's not go into that. I don't want to individually name. हाँ, बुशरा तो एक है because right now she's on the screen. तो बुशरा का बोलना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा, on screen है
ठीक है?
इसके लिए.
Because
सही है, हम
because
आपसे सीख रहे हैं.
every मेरे अलग अलग ग्रुप है. Not हाँ यार, देखो जितना यूज होगा उतने डिफरेंट टाइप के ग्रुप बनेंगे तुम लोग के. एंड I had different set of friends in 15 16, different set of friends in 16 17, different set of friends in 17 18, different set of friends outside RCHC, which were outside club presidents, district people, other district people in Coimbatore. And yeah, so I cannot name someone, but there are many, at least 10 people who are close to me, very close to me, 10 people.
Let's have one fun question round, rapid fire. Let's go. Main avenues or support functions.
Main support functions.
RCHI or Matheran hike.
Matheran hike.
Lunch with GBM or night out with BOD and core.
I know it's a rapid fire, but I need to explain this. मेरे ईयर में भाई 400 GBM थे, सबके साथ लंच करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. So obviously I'll go out with night out with board and core.
Okay. Tea or coffee?
Tea, obviously. Chai with alumni.
Football or cricket?
I watch none. I play none.
Junka or Sipitang pasta?
Actually, you have not added one good option. Tony uncle ka canteen. So I would have chosen that.
Okay.
You all might have not known about it.
Yeah. Maldives or Andaman?
Andaman Nicobar. Made in India.
Your favorite SRK and Kajol movie?
Oh. Hmm. DDLJ and Dilwale. Both.
Okay. Horror movie or comedy movie?
Comedy movie.
Last one. Clubbing with friends or get together with friends?
Both are at its place, but obviously get together with friends.
Okay, so we are done with the rapid fire. Now let's move to the next question. Your most embarrassing moment in RCHC?
It's a very long story. It's a very long story. But okay, I'll take 2 minutes to explain this. So I became actually initially I applied to become vice president of 1670 during under the presidency of Yash. But due to some reasons, when two people were shortlisted for being the secretary, they both left the college. So I was the third and the last option to become the secretary, and I never wanted to become a secretary. Not fast forwarding to the time, the most embarrassing moment. It was the first press sec of 1617 president secretariat meeting, where all the district president secretaries come together and they discuss the district agendas. So we were discussing about reporting, how reporting can be done, because in 1516 there was a system named ROS, and after 1516 the district split into two parts: 3141, 3142. So we were in 3141 and we did not have ROS. The district had yet to make that system. So we all secretaries and presidents were sitting together discussing with the district what can be done about it. So I was very well prepared with it, because our club ka reports were very sorted, and I made a Google form related to that, and I was known for it, that I had made a Google form ka alternative to that district ka this thing system ka. So there was one guy, I don't want to take that guy's name if this goes online. So that guy had 17 minutes. So I laughed on that how can you exactly calculate that it takes 17 minutes to report, an event from a secretariat end to the district end. So I was laughing at the back end. Okay, the last man was sitting with Yash. We were always the backbenchers of press. We used to sit in last only, because we never had to speak something related to any complaints or anything like that. So that day I was laughing. Then Yash was like, okay, if you have any problem related to that guy's statement, you can go in the front of the stage and talk. I was like, no, there are so many big people stand in district, district DCM, DRI is standing. How can I go and give my review on it? So I was like, okay, stand in your place and tell now. Tell that guy, what's stupid? How can you calculate 17 seconds, like 17 minutes to report a event? So I stood up and I was like, I told my thing. I felt this is very stupid that one secretary takes 17 minutes to report something, because I take barely 2 minutes to report. And they were not able to hear me. So we were in an auditorium. So they pushed me and they were like, "तो आगे जाके बोल थोड़ा." One row I went ahead, one row I went ahead. ऐसा कर करके I went to the first row. From back of the auditorium I went to the first row, and then eventually our IPP, मतलब Rohan Udeshi was sitting down. IPP of 1670. So that time he was the club's service director of district. So he was laughing and he was like, एक तो तेरे को secretary बना दिया है club ने, एक तो तू यहाँ पे कॉमेडी कर रहा है और तू यहाँ पे अभी आके क्या कॉमेडी करेगा मुझे देखना है. And he was laughing. Then I went on the stage. The DRR pulled me on the stage, like, whatever you have to speak on the mic, please. Huh? Because they knew that I was supporting the district secretariats, because they had their point that, okay, please, whatever it is, adjust your time, comply with us. And I was with them only. So I went on the mic and लड़के का नाम था, तो मैंने लड़की का नाम बोल दिया उसके नाम से. मतलब there was a guy, for example, लड़के का नाम स्नेह था, तो मैंने स्नेही बोल दिया. So everyone started laughing on that first. And second thing, I don't remember what I spoke for 2 minutes. I genuinely don't remember till date what I spoke on the mic that day. Everyone started laughing, and the same moment they stood up and they started clapping. So I was like, मैंने कुछ गलत बोल दिया कि मैं कुछ funny बोल दिया कि क्या किया bro, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, because I told you I had stage fright. So I was just very blunt about it कि मैं जो मुंह में आया बोल दिया, but I was not in my complete senses कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Everyone started clapping, and after that, so I felt very embarrassed कि यार मुझे बोलना नहीं था, तो भी मैंने जबरदस्ती कुछ ना कुछ तो स्टेज से आके बोल दिया यार. And then when so always the secretary discussions are the last agenda of press sec meetings. So after my this thing, the meeting got over after 5 minutes. So everyone met me outside. तू पागल है, तू कुछ भी बोलता है, तू स्टेज पे, तू किधर से आया है, मतलब मैं आसिफ सिखाओ, this and that. So it was embarrassing moment of the same that like, people expect someone to be a little bit speak deliberately on the stage, and I don't know what joke I cracked on the stage. So that was a little embarrassing moment. I want to explain you in detail what was it, but I cannot explain it because that person might watch this video and I'm really scared.
Okay, so next question. What changes did you bring in RC and HC when you were a road tractor? GBM, road tractor means GBM, okay?
I got no change when I was a GBM. I barely was a GB member for 1 month. And after 20 days, maybe 20 days or 1 month after filling my GB form, they announced that we are applying, we have kept BOD meetings, which is an upper post. We have to work for the club. And I was like, okay, we'll fill the form. So I never got any chance to, do something as a general body member. But I always wish that I wanted to be a general body member, but I don't have time right now.
Okay, next question. One thing that you did in your year to encourage all the core and board.
Okay, so how do I explain that? Because if I speak something, then it becomes controversial. कि भाई तूने मेरे बारे में ऐसा बोल दिया, अपने बारे में ऐसा बोल दिया, and so I actually never kept a very harsh rule, something related to that. कि भाई आना है, जाना है, this and that. I was really frank about it. कि भाई let's do it together. कि one thing I made sure, which made people comfortable working with me. I would like to say that okay, when they used to do their work, for example, a BOD is working in his own in her own event. So I used to work with them together. So they used to feel कि हाँ कोई upper post वाला है तो खाली बोल बोल के चले नहीं आता है. That person is also working with us. So he knows कि भाई हाँ how the team is facing the problem, this and that. So me and my core used to at the board level and at the OC level we used to work with them. कि भाई bottles उठा के कहाँ पे रखना है, झाड़ू मारने का, this and that. Even the smallest thing we used to do together. So they never felt that there was a bridge between core and board. We all felt like the same level of this thing. So people were more open about it कि चलो काम कर लेते हैं, people are doing, then we should also do as well.
Now we'll do some brainstorming situational questions. So first situation, you're offered a pill. Sorry.
कोशिश क्रिएट करो तुम लोग सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चन पूछो. मैंने कंटिन्यू.
Okay, so you are offered a pill that makes you 25% more intelligent, but permanently removes your hair, including eyebrows. Do you take it?
I'm good with whatever percentage I am. I don't want to look bald and Agnipath or Sanjay. I don't want to look.
Okay, so your next situation. If you had to describe your life in 20 words or less, what would you say?
Yeah, 20 words कहाँ से लिखूँ मैं? I'll just change the question. I would describe myself in 20 words would be comedy, jolly, understanding. I'm just saying one word. I cannot write a line right now. And maybe life is like give your little everywhere. Be jack of all but masters of none.
Yeah. So next situation. Would you rather know all of the languages in the world or know how to play all of the instruments?
Obviously, I would love to play all the instruments.
If animals had evolved at the same rate of humans in terms of intelligence, what do you think would be the dominant species on the earth today?
Even if humans are pretty dumb at the same time as well, there's no doubt in that. And even if dolphins get good percentage of intellectual this thing, उन लोग के पास हाथ ही नहीं है कुछ करने के लिए, what will they make? So I feel obviously humans have all the accessibility to do something. Our organs are made that way.
Okay. Last situational question. How do you think your life would change if you didn't need to sleep? What would you do with extra time?
I would have joined road track.
So next question. What was your best experience in road track or what did you learn from road track?
ये दोनों अलग क्वेश्चन है, कौन सा वाला आंसर करूं?
हाँ ठीक है पहला वाला बोल दो.
So what
What
did I
was the
learn?
best experience?
Best experience. Best experience was obviously being a president. Like I never wanted that. I should say that my best experience was being a president. But actually, it's not about being a leader, but the way I've experienced the problems, the way I've met people, so many people I've met. So it was a really good experience. मतलब बोलो ना, life एकदम 10 times bigger हो गई थी with that post and with that year. So obviously that presidential year was very, good take back for me. And what was the second part of the question?
What did you learn from road track?
What did I learn from road track? See, road track is basically, running a small company. You get funds, you get people, tell them what to do. You know what is your aim, कि company को करना क्या है. So it is basically running a company. So I don't know what else to say. Like there are many things like I can say on this, but obviously, just can you repeat the words exactly? I'll just
What
channelize to that only.
What did you learn from road track?
Like, what did I learn from road track? Okay, so this is what I'm telling you, that I learned many things, like how to work with people above you, people of your hierarchy, people under you, people elder to you, younger to you. Um, I basically learned more about people, how to talk to people, how to behave with them, how to socialize with people, how to understand people. वो financial issues, event का, that is so you can learn from anywhere else as well. But learning, how to understand someone, it is very difficult. It takes a lot of time. And RCS has given me enough time, enough number of people to interact with. So today I have good enough confidence that I can go speak up to a new person, maybe new client. So obviously connecting with people is something I've learned from Rootrak.
Okay. One change that you have seen in RCHC which wasn't there in your year.
But after my year, what changes I've seen, right?
Yeah.
So one thing I've seen, from 16, 15, 16 till late year, okay, the core has been slowly is becoming more friendly. It is in 15, 16 the core used to be all were very elder to us. They were, at least we had 3 to 4 years ka gap, and we had a different vision with them. We had a different way of talking to them, this and that. And I felt there was a little bit communication gap in that. And 16, 17 was a great year. We had less number of core, and so it was easier for again people to coordinate with us. So 17, 18 again there were too many core members, and but according to your question, what I felt after these years, after my years, is that core is becoming more friendly, and core has more control and friendship with the board, uh, as compared to any other years. Because I know I've seen the core hanging out together more, because I've seen from 17, 18 and previous years, core was a separate a set of friends group. They used to hang out together, and it's not like that they had any grudges with the board. But I felt that from 18, 19 onwards, core and board are same friend set circle. So it is very it becomes very smooth for them to काम निकलवाना करवाना, talking to people, understanding the problem. So this has increased a lot after my year.
Okay.
Yeah.
One hashtag that describes the core and board members of your year.
One hashtag.
Hashtag, yeah.
हैशटैग है, बताता हूँ, याद नहीं आ रहा. हैशटैग ऊर्जा ऑफ हिंदुजा.
Okay.
This
That
used to
was
be
your
the
year's
official.
theme, right?
Yeah, obviously. The year theme was unleashing the Urja, and then we
Urja.
had removed the official hashtag Urja of Hinduja. And actually, the theme unleashing the Urja comes from a club shot only. The word Urja is in your club shot as well.
Yeah.
So I basically did not get something new. जो अब अपने पास है, just to realize that we have something good in our own, बोलते हैं ना, aim है club का mission है, vision है, club है. So I went through them. I understood कि भाई let's not bring something new. So I picked the words from there. Then what describe with me कि हाँ मेरा जो vision है ये word है, they go together. So this is how Unleashing the Urja came and Urja of Hinduja came.
Okay. Again, a hypothetical situation. If you could ask your future self from 2050 one question, what would it be?
I am asking a question to myself in future, the future Ammar in 2020,
50.
2051.
2050, yeah.
2050, what question would I ask? तो किससे शादी की है ब्रो? इससे ज्यादा कोई मेरे लाइफ में कोई सस्पेंस है नहीं इससे ज्यादा.
15th question. What, according to you, Team 2021 would achieve when it comes to being in the game with fellow clubs, and how far they would reach?
See, I don't know what speed you all are working at what calibration you are working at, कि कितना force है, कितना finance है, कितना तुम लोग का communication है with other clubs. But the main thing is again तुम लोग के पास experience लोग बहुत है, भर भर के है. And you all have good contacts with the district as well because Kavi hai, this and that. So I'm sure 20 team 2021 will do great. You all have you will have some footsteps to follow, like जो 15-16 से club ने जो किया है, mistakes है, जो upgrades है, you all just have to follow that, learn them, this and that. So definitely if you all have so many years ka learning, so you all will definitely do great, not an issue.
Now next is again some fun activity. Never have I ever. Okay, so if you have done the thing, you have to take a sip of coffee.
Right.
And if you if you haven't done the thing, I'll take a sip of coffee. Okay. Slept in a meeting.
Except in our own OCV only, right?
Had a night out at college.
Obviously.
Lied to chairperson just because you could sleep at home. Got scolding at home due to road track.
Can I have the whole tea?
No.
Okay, had a crush on someone in road track. Done a prank with any of your fellow retractors.
Can you repeat?
Done a prank with any of your fellow retractors.
Prank used to be the tradition of RCHC. You all don't know about pranks yet. इसमें भी मुझे पूरा दूसरा कप का लगेगा अच्छा आएगा. Every year, at least every year, each year we have done more than 50 pranks. You should go ask your past president, Vidhi Chauhan.
Okay.
Ask her what prank I have done with her. Ask Kavi, ask Darshan, ask all people what pranks we have played.
Okay. Chaired a mega event.
Chaired an event.
Mega event.
Mega event. Hinduja Carnival किया है 15-16 में. We had started in me and Ayushi.
Okay. Stole something from a hotel. That's my favorite one.
Stole something from a hotel. अरे लोनावला के ट्रेनिंग में ही मैंने शैम्पू की बोतल चुराई थी.
Paid fine for abusing in an event.
तुम लोग को पता है 15-16 में मैंने और एक था करण मेहता करके. We both have paid the maximum fines of abuses. 15, 16 maximum fines for abusing. So obviously,
अच्छा ये तो नहीं किया होगा. Danced in an elevator.
डांस में एलिवेटर. अरे बाप रे. वीडियो है मेरा भाई.
Oh my God.
You haven't done.
Because चाय का एक भी सिप लेने का मौका ही नहीं मिला. Okay.
चाय वेस्ट जाएगी तेरी ब्रो.
What kind of expectation do you have from Team 2021?
See, I don't have any expectation from anyone because सब लोग अपने like everyone is unique. सबका अपना अपना way of thinking. सबका अपना रहता है कि I want this from the club, that from the club. So I'm no more a part of the club. So I don't expect something that you do this, you do that. But the small expectation is that if for example Palin and Riya are working for RCC today, तो तुम लोग के मन में एक चीज रहना चाहिए that today I want I want to remove this fear from me. I want to learn this from the club. I want to add something which increases my value. So my only expectation from you all is that whatever like you all are staying in the club, so you all should learn from the club. My only expectation, don't waste your time sitting at home, sleeping, this and that, and being inactive, harassing other boards. Just be active and learn from the club. That is my only expectation, because ये year से मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. I would be really happy that someone became very productive after getting out from RCC, and RCC के बलबूते पे they are doing something. So obviously उससे ज़्यादा कोई proud moment होगा नहीं है.
ठीक है. अभी task. Now you have to do a task. You have to call two people. Okay. Keep the phone on speaker. Ask them to say, "Hey Palin," and it's me, whatever their name is. You got it?
I have to say that I am Palin.
No.
Okay.
You have to ask them. You have to ask them.
I have to ask them to say hi to you.
Yeah, hey Palin, and their name. This is me, whatever the name may be.
And you only get a minute to call two
Weird
people.
लोग. अरे यार अच्छा.
Call me.
No, that's not.
No, that's not allowed.
What?
You can't call Bushra.
Her, which you cannot do.
No, I'm not calling Bushra. Assalamu alaikum. भाई थोड़ा क्लियर बोलना, आवाज नहीं आ रही.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
अच्छा, मैं ना एक इवेंट में बैठा हूँ, ठीक है.
अरे वाह. अच्छा.
वो मत पूछ, वो टॉप सीक्रेट.
अच्छा.
अरे फोन स्पीकर पे दूर आराम से. अच्छा
तो मैं तो फिर गाली देगा मस्त.
तेरे को बोलना है पलिन आई एम वाडी.
पलिन आई एम वाडी.
हाय पलिन आई एम वाडी.
हाय पलिन आई एम.
क्लियर बोलना.
नहीं.
तेरे को मालूम है इवेंट का नाम क्या है?
लोगो माओ बनाओ.
चाय विद एलुमनाई.
अरे इतने बिल्ले हो गए.
चल ठीक है, हो गया. इसका फोन काट दूं, ये इतना वैल्यूएबल नहीं है.
ठीक है.
कौन है?
ओके, एंड सेकंड पर्सन. ये जादू होगी. अरे यार क्या सब सो क्यों रहे हैं ब्रो? हेलो यशवी.
यस.
अच्छा तुझे एक चीज बोलना है. मैं बोलता हूँ, तू रिपीट कर, ठीक है?
अब किसके साथ फ्रेंड है खेल रहे थे?
पूरे आरसीसी के साथ खेल रहा हूँ मैं. ट्रूथ एंड डेयर. मैं जितना बोल रहा हूँ उतना रिपीट करना खाली. हाय पलिन, इट्स मी यशवी. हाय पलिन, इट्स मी यशवी. सिर्फ इतना बोल.
हाय पलिन, इट्स मी यशवी.
हो गया?
Done.
तेरे को नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
हो
ठीक है,
गया।
अच्छा हुआ तू जाग रही है। मैं तेरे पहले 10 लोग को फोन कर दिया, उन्होंने उठाया नहीं, अभी उन लोग मुझे कॉल करके परेशान करेंगे। हाँ
कौन है ये?
कौन है? मैं हूँ यार, अम्मार यार।
मैं तेरे से बाद में बात करती हूँ।
ये क्या फालतू क्वेश्चन पूछ रही है? चल
बाय
बाय। सब नींद में है।
अच्छा कैसा लगा टास्क करके?
हाँ वो तो अभी आधे एक घंटे में मालूम पड़ेगा, सबका कॉल आना चालू हो जाएगा, क्या हो गया ब्रो, कि कौन सा इवेंट था, हम लोग को उन्हें बोलते हैं लोग इवेंट है ये वो, सब मुझे हैंडल करना पड़ेगा।
अरे रे, एंजॉय एंजॉय, सॉरी एंजॉय, END जॉय। अच्छा
आ गया कॉल, चलो बोलो आगे।
अच्छा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वुड यू लाइक to give any suggestion, advice, message to retractors?
इनएक्टिव नहीं रहना, ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग। सम पीपल थिंक आरसीएच इज वेरी काइंड ऑफ डल एक्सपीरियंस, कि क्या है, इट्स वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। सम न्यू पीपल थिंक इट दैट वे। सो आई फील कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एटलीस्ट जस्ट गेट एक्टिव विद द पीपल, एटलीस्ट थोड़ा इवेंट अटेंड करना चालू करो, बिकॉज योर वन पार्टिसिपेशन और बूंद बूंद से किसी का पार्टिसिपेशन से किसी का एक इवेंट सागर बन जाएगा। सो एटलीस्ट दैट माय वन सजेशन दैट कि खाली इतना भी कर दोगे ना, बाकी सब चेंजेस ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा। सो देयर इज नथिंग आई नो एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम द रोट्रैक्टर्स ऑफ आरसीएच।
अच्छा ठीक है, यही चीज बाय लैंग्वेज में बोल के बताओ।
कौन से लैंग्वेज में?
भाई लैंग्वेज।
भाई लैंग्वेज में बोलो?
हाँ
ठीक है भाई लोग, जिंदगी एक ही है और ये एक ही चीयर है। 2020 फिर से आने का नहीं है, बराबर एक्टिव रहने का, खा पी के मजे करने का, कोर बोर्ड का दिमाग खाने का।
Amar, we want your feedback.
फीडबैक ऑन व्हाट?
इवेंट पे।
On what? Event पे ये क्या बात हुई?
ये कैसा सवाल है?
Event was event was very nice. Relevant questions were asked. Questions be they were good enough. बहुत अच्छे questions है. And talking to two three people at once से ऐसा लगता है
Hello?
कि हाँ थोड़ा group discussion चल रहा है। अरे वाह, मेरे फोटोज मेरे को ही दे दो। अरे वाह,
दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so Amar, this is what we had, like we planned to do something. आपके year में आपके जितने pictures हमें मिले, उसका हमने ऐसा छोटा सा collage बनाया है, which is your hamper for this Chai with Alumni का event.
all of these pictures are from RCHC का event or some of the other events only है. None of the pictures are from outside RCHC. उसमें एक IDY कोयम्बतूर का है, यश के मीटिंग का है, वो जो कुत्ते पे हाथ रख के बैठा हूँ वो रेड का फैशन शो।
I hope you enjoyed the session and thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you
joining
for
us.
attending our event.